All right, traders, we are looking at a weekly vertical bar chart of Brent crude oil, the continuous contract. So we can appreciate that prices have traded down into support of the bearish descending channel that's present. I still have a very bearish outlook on oil. I still think that we'll hit this $40 or sub $40 price objectives. But I think in the short term that we're going to rally into $50. We may even rally and test the 200-day simple moving average before we create a last point of supply or confirm this prior level of support as a resistance and then break down, have our sign of weakness. If we look at this chart that's available here, we can appreciate that we're just kind of in the process of back testing where buyers previously were. We can appreciate that we had 7 million contracts on this downswing, 6.7 million on this one on the upswing, and then 6.4 on this next downswing. So supply still exists. And you can appreciate the selling imbalance that's still present, but presently you can see that it's kind of flattened and might have actually upturned a little bit. If we analyze a shorter time frame here, now we're looking at a 60-minute time frame, we can appreciate that we're trading below this blue line, which is actually the value area low. So the majority of trading, I think 60% of the trading session should happen between the value area high and value area low. So they may find some shoppers through this range. We can appreciate that there's a buying imbalance off this current range is present, and that I would suspect that prices would rally and at least test this $47.50 area. If I look at a selling imbalance chart, this is a 60-minute chart. We're starting to develop a little selling imbalance here, but more importantly, here's the depth of market that's present. So we have a lot of sell orders present here at 46.25, and then some buyers down here at 45.80. So what does that mean? I think that there's a chance that we're going to have a breakdown overnight or into the morning just for liquidity purposes, and prices are going to either come back down here, confirm this prior level of support, or as such. You can appreciate the buying imbalances that are there, and that would correlate with prices kind of breaking down, back testing this area here as support, and then rally into this zone here, which would then kind of back test here and then rally into $48 or even $48.97 into the point of control here. So short term, I'm bullish.